Hi, I'm going to walk you through Google Drive now that you have heard some information about it. If you're already familiar with Google Drive and you already use it with your classes, which I'm sure a lot of you already do, then just maybe I'll show you something that you didn't know in this particular tutorial. You can access Google Drive through your Gmail account. If you see there's this nice black bar up here, it gives you access to Google Images, Google Calendar, and a lot more. What we're going to do is go to Google Drive here, and this is a brand new account, so there isn't anything here yet, so which may be what some of yours looks like, but hopefully not. Right here, if you click on Create, you have several different types of applications. There's Google Docs, which is a word processing program similar to Pages or Microsoft Word. There's also Presentation, which is similar to PowerPoint or to Keynote. There's also Spreadsheet, Excel, Numbers. There's a form for creating different forms like quizzes and stuff like that. Your teachers may be using this, but you could also use it yourself if you want to do a quick survey. Some of you have taken surveys through someone else creating a Google form. There's also really great Google Drawing, which can come in handy. You can also connect and find other apps to put in here, and there's quite a few that might really work for you. The best thing about Google Drive is that it allows you to share information, share documents, work on projects, collaborate very, very easily as long as you have shared that with someone. So one of you would create a document. Let's say we're just going to create a Google Doc, and we're going to give it a title. This is just going to be practice. It could be like you're collaborating on a plan for going to the beach, or you're doing something for your class. You need to work on an essay together, or coordinate a speech together, or a presentation. Pretty much this is the same. You click on Share. You would type in the person that you're going to share it with. A lot of times the teachers also want you to share it with them, so you can do that. You're going to give them different levels of access, which you heard about in the previous video. They can comment, they can edit, they can view, and depending on what you want from them, for them. You can also add a little message if they don't know in advance that you're doing this. You might want to say, here, I've shared a document with you, it's for whatever. So we're going to cancel that because I'm not actually sharing, but that's how you share. Here is this particular document that I just created, and let's say you don't want it anymore, you want to keep it kind of cleared out, you can check it. It has this menu bar come up. You can hit remove, and that automatically deletes it. You can also undo it if you need to. If you click more, you can get to your trash in case you make a mistake, especially if you've shared something and somebody else put something in the trash. It'll hold on to it for a while, so you can pull that back up again. You can also see all the activity that you've done for for a certain amount of time in order from most recent, and so that's kind of a neat thing to do. If someone has shared something with you, this is where it would be located. Shared with me, this is where all those files would be located. You can also use Google Drive as another backup. I know that a lot of you probably use Dropbox, but you can also upload folders and files in Google Drive. You could also upload a file if you wanted to work on it at another computer, as long as you had internet access. It's the same kind of concept that you've already kind of discovered with Dropbox. Google Drive just has those other extra apps that work really well for collaboration, and but this is how you would upload. Right here is a little upload, and so you could upload an entire folder, back it up to Google Drive. You could find a file, just click on File, find a file that you would like to back up, click Open. It'll quickly upload it into your Google Drive, and here it is. You can also take that same particular file, share it with other people via email, so that's a nice feature. You can move it into another folder if you needed to here, and you can also put it in the trash. You can preview it. You can direct it to be opened with a particular program. So I'm just going to throw it away since I don't really need it in my Google Drive. I hope this helps. And I hope you enjoy using Google Drive.